Hello learners. Now I will be discussing the very important concept that is ratio analysis. So it is similar to vertical and horizontal analysis, but generally ratio analysis will be giving you more accurate idea about company's performance, right? So we will see that how to do ratio analysis, and we will be discussing about several ratios which will help you to analyze that how company is performing. So I have fetched this ratios of Dabur Limited, right? Now, one by one, what we will do, we will see in detail that how to analyze ratios or how to find out the details of transaction of any organization with the help of ratio analysis, and how to judge whether company is performing well or not, right? So we will be looking several ratios, huh? So we will be solving all these ratios, and we will try to understand how company is performing. So the very first ratio which I will be discussing is operational and financial ratios, right? So here we will check how companies financial ratios or operational ratios are performing. So if you see here, so what are the sub parts of operational and financial ratio is EPS. First one is EPS, second is CEPS, that is cash earning per share. EPS means earning per share, adjusted earning per share, right? DPS means dividend per share, adjusted DPS. So these all ratios we will be discussing in detail, right? Now the very first ratio which I would like to discuss is earning per share. What actually is earning per share? So first of all, I will tell you the formula of earning per share. So if you see the formula of earning per share, so the formula of earning per share is PAT divided by outstanding shares, right? PAT divided by outstanding shares. Now, what is the meaning of outstanding shares? Outstanding shares means that what number of shares company has issued to public, right? Now, let's suppose if I take example here. So, Dabur Limited has earned profit of 100 crore rupees. I'm taking just example, right? And what company has done? Company has issued 10 crore shares to the public, right? Outstanding shares are 10 crore and profit after tax of company is 100 crore rupees. So here you will find out that how much profit company is earning for one share. So for one share, company is earning 10 rupees, right? So let's suppose if you have invested in Dabur Limited and you have acquired 1,000 shares, right? So what will be your earning from that company? So definitely you can say that if you have acquired 1,000 shares in that company, so company has earned 10,000 rupees for you, right? This is what a concept of EPS, right? So EPS means PAT divided by outstanding shares. So if you see here, so in year 2012, company's EPS was 3 rupees. It means company was earning 3 rupees for one share, right? And similarly, you can see every year the company's EPS is increasing, and right now the EPS of company is 8 rupees, which is good enough, right? So company is earning rupees 8 on behalf of your share. So this is what a logic or meaning of EPS, right? So here what we have done, we have taken PAT to find out the EPS, right? So the more EPS will be there, it means company is earning good profits, right? So 8 EPS is okay. Generally, what we do when we compare EPS, when we try to find out the ratio, so we can compare Dabur Limited ratio with other FMCG company, right? So let's suppose here the EPS of Dabur is 8, right? And there is another company, Britannia. The EPS of Dabur is 8, and Britannia's EPS is, let's suppose, 7, right? So obviously this company is performing well, right? This company is performing well as compared to Britannia because their EPS is higher, right? And let's suppose if I take another example here, Dabur company EPS is 8, right? Now I can take any other company, FMCG company, right? So I can take any other company. Let's suppose I'm taking Patanjali, right? I'm taking example of Patanjali. The EPS of Patanjali is 10, right? So obviously this company is earning more for one share, right? So Patanjali will be better here as compared to Dabur. So what we do, we compare this EPS with competitors, right? Or maybe with industry EPS, right? So generally we compare it with competitors or industry EPS, right? So here we have seen the EPS. Now what is next concept? Next concept is uh, CEPS, that is cash earning per share, right? So we have discussed about EPS, and what was the formula of EPS? The formula of EPS was PAT. What is CPS? CPS means cash earning per share, right? So instead of taking PAT here, what we will be doing, we will be taking here cash profit. We will be taking here cash profit. right? Now, cash profit divided by outstanding share. Right now, how we will calculate the cash profit? You know that when we prepare profit and loss account, so in profit and loss account, we also record non-cash expenses. What are those non-cash expenses? So let's suppose if I'm preparing profit and loss account, so we will be recording sales, right? After sales, we will be recording cost of material consumed. We will be recording salary. We will be recording depreciation. We will be also recording provision for doubtful debts, है ना? We will be also recording some other expenses, right? So what we do, we always record non-cash expenses also, right? So here you can see depreciation is non-cash expense, provision is non-cash expense, right? And once we reduce all these expenses from sales, so we get PBT, right? And after deduction of tax, we get PAT, right? Okay, okay, so we get PAT here, right? So if you see here, PAT includes non-cash expenses also, right? PAT includes non-cash expenses also. Now, if I want to calculate cash profit, so simply what I will be doing to calculate the cash profit, what I will be doing here, I will be taking up PAT, and in PAT I will be adding up non-cash expenses, that is depreciation and provision, right? These non-cash expenses, what I will be doing, I will be adding up here, right? And I will get the cash profit, right? Pakke pakke se I will get the cash profit, right? So this is how we can calculate the cash profit. And what will be the formula to calculate CEPS? CEPS formula is going to be cash profit divided by outstanding share, right? This is going to be the formula, cash profit divided by outstanding share, right? Now if you see here, what we have done, we know that how to calculate CPS. Now you know, when I will be calculating EPS and CPS, so which value is going to be larger? So definitely CPS value is going to be larger as compared to EPS. Why? Because here we are adding depreciation and provision. If we are adding depreciation and provision, so definitely my numerator value will be higher. So let's suppose here PAT is 100 crore. I'm taking the same example which I have taken here. PAT is 100 crore. And what company has done? Company has charged depreciation of 20 crore and company has created provision of 5 crore. Right? Now, if you want to calculate cash profit, so what you will be doing here? You will be taking 100 crore PAT, then you will be adding up depreciation and you will be adding up provision, right? You will be adding up here provision. So what will be the total cash profit? Total cash profit is going to be 125 crore, right? Total cash profit is going to be how much? It is going to be 125 crore. Now, if I want to calculate CEPS here, so CEPS is going to be cash profit, that is 125 crore, divided by outstanding share. Outstanding shares will remain same, 10 crore. And here CPS is going to be 12.5. So you can see here CPS will be higher than EPS, right? Always it will be higher than EPS. So now we will see that what is the cash profit of company. So cash profit of company is here. You can see cash earning per share of company is 3. Then it is 4. And if you see EPS is 3, here CPS is 4. Here values are same. Here if you see EPS is 4, CPS is 5. So here CPS is increasing every year, right? And CPS is 9, which is a good indicator, right? So definitely what you will be doing, first you will be calculating the CPS of this, and after that you will be comparing this CPS with other companies' CPS, right? This is the method to find out CPS, right? So you can compare this Dabur company CPS with competitors CEPS, right? Now, if I talk about other concepts, so these concepts I will be taking in next lecture. So thanks a lot, guys. Stay tuned with us for more and better learning.